It's alright, I wanna do you tonight.
I've been sitting on my down jacket, but I might have to actually wear it today because it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold today.
But
So
less wind.
less wind. There's still wind, so I am very curious as to what this
Less
day is
wind.
going to be like.
It's day 28 PS on the Camino, day 3 on our bikes. So far, I'd say the best thing about the bikes is it makes me appreciate walking.
Yeah, I thought you were going to say getting off of
I
them.
cannot wait to fucking turn these things in and Leon and get back to walking, back on my feet again.
Yeah, so where are we going today?
We don't know. As far
Okay.
as we can go before we want to die.
Which won't be far. But good news is we stayed at the cutest little hostel last night. It's amazing, and I highly suggest that you stay here. It's really
Did
cute.
we show you the beds last night? We slept
I think we
so
did.
well.
They had little individual rooms, and it was awesome. The place is brand new. The owner built everything himself. He's a super talented guy.
You should tell them it's called Albergue Finca, and
Yeah.
it's right after Fromista and before Poblacion.
Keep
de
going through
Economia.
Fromista. It's worth it. Trust us. Trust us. I know you don't even know us, but trust us.
Yummy.
Ham and eggs. Let me eat it. Hi.
Hey, something cool just happened. All along the Camino, people have scallop shells attached to their backpacks. It's like the symbol of the Camino. Traditionally, they're supposed to be gifted to you, but of course all the tourist shops sell them. And we just ate breakfast, and the guy who owned the place gave us shells.
That was so nice.
And I thought it was really cool because we didn't even have our backpacks with us, so he didn't know that we didn't have them already.
Yeah.
But now we have our shells.
Now we're totally legit.
Yep.
All right, so less wind today. That's what we're all praying for, right? Good. All right, well, first 16K down.
My tank is empty.
How far? 16K, and we did it in an hour and a half thanks to a very nice downhill. Finally. The wind is still here, but not as bad as yesterday, but it's much colder.
So tired.
The struggle never ends here on the Meseta.
I am wiped today, guys. My tank is empty. Compared to the last 2 days, today should be relatively easy, but I'm just tired.
Just tired, man. What do you want?
It's noon now, and it's starting to drizzle a little bit, and the next town is 17K away, which makes me a little nervous, but we just haven't gone far enough yet today to stop, so I think we're going to have to do it. There's supposed to be a storm rolling in at 3,
So let's
so
get
if
on
we
the
can
road.
just make it there by then,
Let's go.
hopefully we'll be okay.
Let's go.
I was going to say something else, but
What?
you made me forget. I don't know. Oh my god, we just fucking cooked those 12K. It is rained on us the entire time. Can't catch a break on this Meseta. But we found this little shelter. We're gonna sit here and eat some pork sandwiches until our last 5K. Oh my god. A little too cold for swimming today, unfortunately. Oh. Here is our €5 a night albergue. Lots and lots and lots and lots of folks. We're in the sneaky back room. Here's our beds. And it's cold back here. Want to go for a swim? Brr. Hello, little lovebirds. There ain't nothing but wheat fields around here, folks. Well, we survived day 3 in the rain.
Mm-hmm.
Really making us work for every K on the Meseta.
It's been hard, man.
But we busted that out in like 3.5 hours.
Yeah, I was chugging along,
soaking
man.
wet, but fast.
Yeah.
Probably should have gone a little further. The next 2 days are going to be longer than I'd like,
But that's tomorrow.
now we're doing our ritual of Monopoly Deal and Vino Tinto.
Actually, the ritual is you losing to Monopoly Deal. Wow.